Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I cannot tell you how absolutely beautiful this book is. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this extraordinarily special project share. This was created by one of my friends and student, Mellany. She's from Mississippi, and this is just such a beautiful book. Thank you, Mellany. I am so absolutely honored to be sharing this with the world. Oh my goodness. Okay, so right here, she did a beautiful cluster of these wonderful flowers, and she actually used Stamperia Shabby Rose paper collection. And even with her limitation with cutouts, she was able to create a beautifully simplistic book. And she just, wow, look at that cute little element right there on the back. What a great idea. I'm going to totally need to try that. Wow, again, this is the Beginner's Mini version 2, and you can find a link down to the class if you wanted to make one like her. Look at this right here. This is a belly band feature that actually comes off the front cover and allows this flap to open up right here. Now, isn't that just beautiful? Wow, look at these flowers she just stuck on there wonderfully. Great assembly here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got 4x6 pictures all throughout this whole book, and you can put landscape or portrait, anything you want. Look at this gorgeous watercolor paper. It's got like a nice shabby wash to it, and she used the cut aparts pages to have little tuck spots and journaling. Look at this. I love those little designs on there. This is a nice little skinny pocket. This holds this flap down, and we got some more picture space in here on a nice little pocket there. Oh, look at this. She matted the postcard. I love the switch in matting style. She's got about 1/4 inch of the black paper showing, and you could journal on the back of that postcard or even put a couple photos if you wanted. Mellany, this is so cute. Wow. Beautiful matting. Excellent attention to detail. I just love it. Right here, again, you could put any kind of pictures you want there. 4x6 all throughout the whole book. No cropping necessary. It would be matted by the white and the black cardstock. Love this. Look at these designs. Beautiful way to, everything comes together beautifully here. Look at another one of these cutouts. Oh my goodness, if you've never made a book before, this is one that you can do. Look how Mellany just, the consistency. It's so fun. Simple, but so beautiful. Look at this pocket. And you could stuff even more in there if you wanted, and this kind of keeps that little flap closed. You just tuck that little element in there. It seems like she double backed them too because they're pretty nice and stiff. Look at this, simple flaps right here. Pockets, everything you need. And yeah, she did put another layer of paper again. We got some more little journaling lines. That is so sweet, Mellany. Oh my goodness, look at this. Your matting is on par. Absolutely on par. Look at this. Wow. Gorgeous papers. Very vintagey, very just, it's relaxing to the eyes, isn't it? You just did so amazing. Oh my gosh, look at this. Simple. Straight to the point. It's about the pictures here. Look at her. Cute little camera stamp too. Oh my goodness. Again, this is absolutely my honor to be sharing this with you today. Love that little element on the back. Again, I'm going to need to try that myself. And this slide's right on the front. And it still has expandability as well. I'm just in love with this cluster. Wow. Again, Mellany, is absolutely my honor to be sharing this. Thank you again so much for giving me this opportunity, and I just love it. Let's take one more look at these beautiful flowers. What an inspiration. I hope everyone has a fantastic day wherever you are, and thanks for joining me for this special share, and I'll see you next time. Bye!